Today's video begins a new series here at Gustitislaw. How do you use science and the law to defend against the use of forensic evidence in court? The answer to that question is coming right up. Welcome to Gustitislaw. If this is your first visit here, I'm Steve Gustitis, and this is my channel. Here at Gustitislaw, we are passionate about teaching you how to effectively navigate the criminal justice system, how to manage encounters that you may have with the police, and how to defend criminal charges. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, you'll get weekly videos on these important topics. And subscribing is easy. All you have to do is click on that black and white capital G down in the lower right-hand corner of the video screen. And don't forget to comment on today's video, as I would be pleased to respond to any questions or comments that you may have. Before we can learn how to use the science and the law to defend against the use of forensic evidence in court, we need to understand what forensic evidence is. And that's the topic of today's video. Forensic evidence is basically where law and science intersect. It's the use of scientific evidence in court to attempt to prove either the guilt or even the innocence of a criminal suspect. The use of forensic evidence has become vital in today's criminal justice system, as it provides for the use of scientific information based on the analysis of either physical or other types of evidence. Examples of forensic evidence are legion, but some common examples that you may have heard of before include DNA testing, serology, blood alcohol testing in a DWI case, for instance, fingerprint evidence, ballistics, gunpowder residue. Even psychological testing can be used to attempt to prove guilt or innocence in a criminal trial. Now that we have a better idea about what forensic evidence is, we can begin to develop some strategies on how to defend against it. The next 3 videos in this series will be the meat of this subject on defending against forensic evidence in court. Video number 2 in this series will discuss the legal and the scientific bases for how forensic evidence gets admitted into court. Video number 3 in the series will discuss how the police and prosecutors attempt to use forensic evidence to prove guilt. And finally, the 4th video in this series will discuss how criminal defense lawyers should react to and defend against the use of forensic evidence. So stay tuned to Gustitislaw for these videos. I appreciate you being here, and thank you for watching.